Kimberly is wondering if there's a relationship between a teacher's subject and their hobbies. So she collected teachers' responses. And so we can see that the literature teacher likes wave surfing. Does not sound like Miss Yesquez, but maybe. History teacher likes to play cards. Math teachers like rock climbing. That's true for me. Science teacher likes windsurfing. Gym teacher likes to play chess. And the Spanish teacher likes to read books. So it looks like each teacher has its own unique hobby. So yes, this is a function. And it's because each input has a unique and single, just one output. It would not be a function if me, the math teacher, said, I like to rock climb and play cards, because then I would have two outputs. And that would not create a predictable function.